1 piece bangus and salt. Step 1. Remove the gills and eviscerate the fish. Step 2. Wash thoroughly in running water. Step 3. Soak the fish in 10% brine solution for 1 hour till the eyes of the fish becomes white. After 1 hour, or the eyes of the fish became white. Step 4. Boil the fish in 10% brine solution for 10 minutes till the eyes of the fish become white. Step 5. Dry the boiled fish in a cool, shady, and breezy place for 1 to 3 hours, or until thin slimy skin or pellicle is formed on the surface. After drying, the fish are hot smoked and temperatures ranging from 66 degrees to 88 degrees for 1 to 3 hours, or depending upon the size of the fish.